It is not difficult to describe how English language education is today, because the idea that we have, either from our own experience or from other people, is that there are academies or places where English courses are taught, where there is a teacher who explains grammar rules, someone who tells his students, repeat after me, where a grammar book is used with exercises that have to be filled, and basically that is all that is done. There are certainly people who manage to learn in this way and achieve a certain fluency in the language, but the vast majority will not do it with this type of teaching. The reason is because we all have different ways of learning. Some people learn better with images, others through words, and others experiencing things. But what they do in these courses is that they try to teach English to all the people in exactly the same way, as if their learning style is the same. Obviously, the people who stand out in these courses are the people that their way of learning adapts to this method, receiving classes with a teacher and doing grammar exercises. On the other hand, people that learn differently, they all struggle a lot, and they even think that are not good at learning English, and many of them end up giving up. With the help of the internet, it is now possible to have access to a huge amount of resources of all kinds that allow us to practice English in many different ways. On the internet you can find videos, music, audiobooks, ebooks, apps to learn languages, online dictionaries, apps to talk with other people from anywhere in the world, such as Skype. There are also social networks dedicated to people learning languages. In short, there is a wide variety of things that we have at our disposal to practice in many ways that are very entertaining. With this, I don't mean that it is bad to attend an English course, but if you really want to learn to speak English, you must learn how to self-educate. There is a phrase that describes this situation perfectly, said by Jim Rohn, who was a very influential motivational speaker from the United States. He said, "Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune." This is no longer a time to depend solely on the education that is offered in the schools or that comes from other people. It's time to self-educate.